Welcome to the 7th lesson. In this lesson you will get hands-on steps and guidance to get started with your mapping. And after this lesson you will know where to start. So where do we start? Let me go back to this slide from the earlier lesson with the overall steps. In this lesson I will talk about create lanes, placing contact data, insights in your journey map. Creating the lanes, you should definitely have a before and during and after lane. Even if you work with a bit more detailed things, probably you have before there and after as well, because a lot of the things you could change and insights you will gather comes from those phases. And then you place the customer lanes with the activities, situations, and that will form the actual customer journey. And then you have customer needs, and it's good to show if they are maybe from assumption based to really deep customer interviews, and just try to always explain from where do they come. And then you have emotional curves, or an emotional curve, and work from top down when placing content in the map. On the horizontal level, I strongly recommend that you start in the first part in during and place the activity situation there, and then you work your way forward and you work your way backwards here. Because I hear people asking before starting to journey map, but where does it start? And then we put out the first customer activity situation, and then we just start doing it from there. But you don't know that. You have no idea. You have to start in the beginning and work your way forward and work your way backwards. And probably the beginning and end will depend on how much research, how deep research, how well do you know your customers. It is an example from a mortgage bank offer with a mortgage. So a mortgage customer journey. Maybe it starts with a life-changing situation, getting a job in another city or having a kid. And the last activity here could be, tax declaration of the apartment after it was sold, 15 months after. So now it's time to actually place the content in your lanes. So before, during, after, that's pretty forward. And the customer journey start with different activities, start in the during, as I said before, place the customer needs, and draw an emotional curve. So now you know where to start. And the question I will answer in the next lesson is a question I so often get. And you will get it from your colleagues as well, I promise you. And that is, how long does it take? When do you have something to show? And after the next lesson, you will be able to answer this question. So see you in the next lesson.